For hungry guests, we suggest creating a delectable artisanal pizza from scratch in under 30 minutes. I'll show you how easy it is using just the 2-in-1 to prep all your ingredients. In our video on dough making, I demonstrated how to achieve a perfect ball of seeded pizza dough in less than 30 seconds. So, let's move on to making our kale and sunflower seed pesto in the 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cup. To the Nutri Ninja cup, add the blanched kale, fresh basil leaves, a large clove of garlic, unsalted roasted sunflower seeds, grated Parmesan cheese, the zest and juice from a lemon, olive oil, and salt and pepper. We'll pulse 5 times first, and then blend continuously until we've achieved our desired consistency. This is a fabulous sauce to layer over your seeded pizza dough. Once you've done that, generously spread crumbled goat cheese, cherry tomatoes cut in half, and grated Parmesan cheese over your pizza, and then it's ready for the oven. I made one earlier, and as you can see, it turned out beautifully. Bon appetit!